Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 5Z, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here you'll find a screen recording. Now for me it's located right over here, so once you find yours you can either tap on it to start recording right away, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings. Now I would recommend maybe checking out the settings just the first time around. You can get an idea of how it is set. So you can see default looks to be set to medium, which is 720p at 8 megabits per second. Now personally I would probably recommend changing it to high. This will give you a high resolution which might not look as blurry on a normal monitor. And additionally, the megabits per second will make it look a little bit sharper when the image is in motion. And next thing we have is frame rate. It is set to be dynamic, whatever that is. Automatically adjusts frame rate based on the content being recorded. Now, this might be a little bit weird, considering once it starts recording, I'm pretty sure it's going to be set to a specific frame rate. So if it's 30, it's going to record at 30. If it's recording at 15 at start, it will, I'm pretty sure, keep it at that, but I might be wrong. So I would probably recommend changing it to just flat out 30. That's the highest one we can go, and 30 already is low enough to the point that there should be more options anyway. And then you have a couple toggles below that, which you can turn them on at your own will. Now once you have set it up, you can then tap on the toggle. It will ask us for access to whatever, so once screen recording, pictures, whatever, yep, allow while using app. Record audio, yep. Manage photos and calls, I'm pretty sure that's a recording or regarding just like allowing it to access storage. And here we go, actual like storage. And there we go. So from here we can tap on this red circle. You can see that it is recording right now. You have this green dot right here. So whatever you will do right now will be recorded. If you open some kind of games, they will be recorded as well. Though, keep in mind that if you open up games, I'm not sure if this will work. Yep, it should. So as you can see, the game is automatically recorded in landscape mode instead of portrait like I started, which will make the actual screen recording look a little bit wonky. So I'm going to stop it right now. So pull down your notifications, locate the toggle, whatever it is. Alright, I can just stop it right here on the overlay that was barely visible. So anyway, let's find the recording, which should be located in our Photos application. You can see it right over here. So you can see it started in portrait mode, and when I start recording it will move to landscape mode, but you'll probably see this. Oh, okay, interesting. So it doesn't actually flip the screen right here. Now this might be actually a little bit better because we can later on edit that if you want to. Some devices have the option to adjust the orientation, but that doesn't really work too well. So anyway, you can kind of see it right here. That is the screen recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.